From Nevada Public Radio, this is the Daily Rundown. I'm Natalie Ott. It's December 11th, 2025. Essential workers can now get help purchasing a home from the Nevada Housing Division. The Worker Advantage program unveiled yesterday morning. They will provide $20,000 for a down payment to help 900 Nevada households achieve the dream of home ownership. Eligible professionals include healthcare, education, public safety, and construction, according to a press release. The $20,000 can be used toward the down payment and closing costs. Applicants must have lived in Nevada for at least 6 months, and household income is limited to up to 150% of the area median income. Raiders quarterback Geno Smith did not practice Wednesday because of a shoulder injury, placing his status for Sunday's game at Philadelphia in question. Coach Pete Carroll termed Smith's status as day-to-day, and Kenny Pickett, who was Jalen Hurts' backup last season with the Eagles, took first-term snaps in practice. Read the full details here at KNPR.org. The city of Henderson says it is cracking down on leash law violations this month. They remind residents that all dogs must be leashed and under control while in public areas, although they can roam freely in designated fenced dog parks. Park enforcement and Animal Protection Services will both be out looking for violations, they say, and will be checking that dogs are up to date on rabies vaccinations, licensing, and sterilization. The Nevada Homeland Security Commission has approved Governor Joe Lombardo's request to create a fuel resiliency committee. The governor proposed the committee earlier this year as part of an effort to reduce fuel costs in the state. The new committee is tasked with assessing refinery and pipeline dependence, emergency planning and response, and diversifying the state's fuel-related infrastructure. Nevada relies heavily on fuel supplies from California, which Lombardo's office says has left the state vulnerable to regional and national disruptions. The committee is expected to hold its first meeting early next year. Rural schools in Nevada are getting a financial boost thanks to an overwhelming vote by the U.S. House of Representatives on Tuesday. The House voted to reinstate the Secure Rural Schools Act, whose funding lapsed in 2023. The program, which the bill extends through 2027, would provide financial aid to rural public schools in more than 41 states, including Nevada and Puerto Rico. It awaits President Donald Trump's signature. One of the biggest attractions at Nevada's only national park is closed for a lighting upgrade. The Las Vegas Review-Journal reports. Park officials say Lehman Caves in Great Basin National Park needs new lighting, with the current system nearly 50 years old and failing. Park staff and volunteers are removing 5 miles of old wiring, some of it dating back to 1941. Contractors will install the new lights and add emergency phones, with the project estimated to cost $5.8 million. The caves should reopen next spring. Amid active negotiations, Health Service Coalition members rallied outside Valley Hospital Tuesday night, demanding a fair health care contract. They're protesting what they claim are rising cost and price gouging by Valley Health System, which owns more than half the total hospital beds in Las Vegas. Valley Health is a healthcare provider for the Health Services Coalition, which helps ensure more than 300,000 union members and their families across Nevada. KNPR's Ann Davis has the full story available right here on knpr.org. This has been the Daily Rundown, a production of Nevada Public Radio. To hear more or to support public radio in Southern Nevada, visit knpr.org.